In this video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI like a pro in 2026. If you already know the basics of Gamma AI and want to create better presentations faster, these tips can help you work more efficiently. First, start with a clear and detailed prompt. Instead of entering only a short topic, explain what you want Gamma to create, who your audience is, what the main goal is, and what type of presentation you need. For example, you can tell Gamma to create a professional business presentation with a specific number of sections, a clear structure, concise text, and relevant visuals. Next, don't simply accept the first result. Review the generated presentation and improve it. Edit the text, remove unnecessary information, rearrange sections, and add details that are important to your audience. One of the best ways to work like a pro is to keep your content simple. Avoid overcrowding your slides with too much text. Use clear headings, short paragraphs, and relevant visuals to communicate your ideas. You should also take advantage of Gamma's editing and customization features. Adjust layouts, replace images, change content, and refine individual sections until the presentation matches your goals. Another useful tip is to maintain consistency. Make sure your presentation has a professional visual style and that the text, images, spacing, and layouts work well together. If you're creating presentations regularly, consider using templates as a starting point. Templates can save time while still giving you room to customize the final design. Always review AI-generated information carefully, especially when working with business, academic, financial, or other important content. Check facts, numbers, names, and other details before presenting them. Finally, preview your entire presentation before sharing or exporting it. Look at it from the audience's perspective and make sure your main message is easy to understand. And that's how you can use Gamma AI like a pro in